God bless America. Patriot James coming at you. On a rainy Saturday morning, we headed to Lake Wiley. We're gonna have a guest on the boat this morning, fishing with Big Nasty. Jeff Anderson's gonna be on the boat with me. So come join me on this rainy Saturday morning on Lake Wiley, North Carolina. God bless America. God bless you and your family. And I'll see you on the water. New school coming up on us. He coming to get a biscuit. We might have to steal a piece of bait off of him. But good video right here, B-roll. I think this is A-roll when you got two of us coming together, or three of us coming together, and I'm here with Big Nasty here. Guys, I've been fishing for quite a while, but I've never seen a ball of bait this freaking big. It is huge. It is freaking huge.